My people, University of Benin for Nigeria don't abandon exam where they write go protest because lecturer enter exam hall with gun. He say they call invigilate. Omo no be small matter. All the students don't vex. In fact, if they get chance, they go tear anybody where they see apart. All of them don't they ask say now the only way to invigilators be this. Now the only way I beg I say I must bring and come aside for now we know University of Benin for now we know I beg now the latest be this. So because as I dey talk to now the school self never stopping concerning this matter. So I beg join me make we watch UNIBEN students. Ha! This is the height of it. Netflix, are you there? No, my people are big. It reached to call Netflix so gone for exam. No, if I dey tell una say now, everybody no know we in duty again for this country. Una go dey think say dey joke. Lecturer gone. Then police go hold wetin? Marker. Lecturer no wan lose guard. You know 1 year say one thing happen, they shoot bird, mama fly, all those kind. You know 1 year am. Una remember matter wey happen before where students gather beat lecturer. And they should say that the fear this man get. Say yeah, if he just correct person or maybe catch person, all of them go bang. No, because now people Nigeria now. Nobody they smile. So this man need protect. But this thing, I not just understand how this thing now come prevent students from cheating. I not just understand. And you dey expect say they go write exam well like this. But to write exam, you need your brain. You need to think. You need to be calm so that you be able to remember the things where you don't read. Like this, they not go even feel no, if not you feel write exam like this. Knowing say they fit shoot you by mistake, or knowing say you no even fit turn this eye look this side. This kind of exam, you breathe, you are dead. Even to breathe, you go dey careful to breathe. You go, if you want breathe, you go check first. So before you No, I not just understand. When I go dey do some kind of things where tomorrow now I go dey blame devil. No, imagine say this man now by mistake he just shoot person, boom. The story now go come change. And now I go even come outside they lie. The student was cheating. You know they cheat now mistake where you yourself you commit. Something they seriously wrong with this our country. Something is wrong with Nigeria, my people. See, I dey tell now, many people now, in fact, majority of the people in this country, they've gone mad. Majority. And if I dey talk majority, I know they talk 50%. Like 97% of people in this country, they don't follow. The 3% now remain, now be us. Exam invigilator. Bros, you be vigilator. You no be vigilante. You no be vigilante. No forget reason why you dey there. Tomorrow now, I'm sorry we go here. I'm sorry we go here. Chai! UNIBEN. Hey. As I see this matter, now I remember University of Abuja students. Where did they complain? They say if una see invigilators, say they never experienced that one before. As this thing happen today, I say, now be say, if University of Abuja, they still they learn work. Now I bring them all of una way they complain for Abuja Uni. Una don't see now. This one even carry gun. I wonder what you go do if person like this enter on a school. If you just turn, if you do mistake, turn. Hey. Now your burial we go start the plan like this, oh. Nigeria. Nigeria. I beg. My people, I don't think of something. Maybe we go start to do exam, for all these lecturers to check whether they do okay. No, because I don't know if no forget that film matter. I don't know whether una they see this thing the way they see am. How people get correct head now as we dey. How many? How many? This one now no be uniform person wey we go say na usual matter. Lecturer. Can't you see that we're already entering that corner? We don't dey go. They don't dey misbehave too much. So I beg, now we go conduct exam for all lecturers so that we go know those who dey okay, those who no dey okay. Ha! Omo, ataya, my people, ataya, leave am, ataya. I beg, wetin you guys talk concerning this matter because I go bring am come aside. Lecturer with gun. Ungwanu, start to drop the comment for that comment section. And make sure say you share this video. Uni Abuja, they must hear them so that their fear go subside. Very, very important. And subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you know, go be updated with matters like this. Stay tuned for our next story. Femi Fani Kayode, the angel of few and the devil of many. My people, finally, all the allegations where they rise. I don't bring evidence coming aside. This one, another violent politician. I know say many of you no, don't they see him as one saint, one angel, one this one. Now lie. Today, I go unravel and unfold all the foldable and unravables. Allegations don't they happen since so my people. Everybody don't they bring their own thing, and the one way even draw my attention. Now the one way happen for in waiting they call that boy named Benga, in former PA. That one I say I must bring her out. Allegations don't they come say this man Femi Fani Kayode, if they use hammer, objects, knife, some kind things, were things like that. If they use and they threatening staffs, people where they work for her. Don't be smart, you know. I don't dig deep. And why I bring this matter today now because I don't gather enough evidence as I talked before. So I beg, I want make una watch video, For now, we don't they talk say, na lie. You know they threaten people. Na good man, na angel. Ngwanu, I don't bring una angel. Angel wey hold hammer. So I beg, I won't make una watch am with una eye. As he hold hammer, the threatening staff. So I beg, before I go continue, join me, make we watch Femi Fani Kayode.
Why?
I don't like the news house.
Why?
You only called me to know that NEPA are around.
NEPA around?
They came to check and I said, okay.
Why?
You only let me know that they want to check the meters, and that was what it is.
Alright, fine. So since you've done that, let's leave it like that, okay?
He had a hammer in his hand. Because the camera came out, he took the hammer away.
No, now see the hammer. No, now talk through. I be una mouth don't close. Una no see no for even the video you they see say they keep in eye no they go they look up because as you notice say person the video now so you can't hide the hammer. If you notice the end of the video say you no go they notice the hammer again because you don't see say person the video even the woman voice self they talk am according to my time with me they say na wife abi I no know they say na she they even they do the video una even hear am for the end of the video how she they talk say he has seen the camera, he has seen me videoing him, he has hidden the hammer. No, una see am. How far? He's an angel. He's this. He doesn't do this one. But now my problem is say I know they understand. I know they understand why Benga go come outside they lie to us. Say no, relax. Make una relax. Benga don't come outside and come they tell us say all the allegations are false. Say you know they threatening staffs with hammer. Say na good man. Say in fact he go just there sometimes person go they attack him. So the reason why God. He said the reason why una see am with hammer, Femi hammer. The reason why una see am with that hammer now because as at that time they hang pictures. So they hang the pictures, they knock am with hammer for wall. And the reason why he stopped the work for Femi Fani Kayode now because of the attack over in life. He say no be Femi o. He say person go just dey say he wan attack am, he wan kill am, he wan do this thing. So Femi come tell am say Gbenga, you be good person o. You have been working hard, you have a bright future, so please you have to live now before your life will end. Make her shut up. Abeg join me make we listen to Gbenga.
Hi guys, good afternoon. I am Gbenga Dikoya, the former PA to Chief Femi Fani-Kayode, the former Minister of Aviation. I have to say this first and foremost. I am alive and I'm still living. I never had any issue with Chief. All my dealings with Chief, I never had any threat. I did my job as expected. And also, if there was to be a threat, I don't think I should still be here doing what I do. I'm a businessman. I left Chief Femi Fani-Kayode's house peacefully, safe and sound, with no issue, no blemish or whatsoever. And also, when I was leaving, Chief told me, he said, Gbenga, you're a young chap with a bright future. I don't want to wake up in my house with a dead body.
They need to tell una now say they threaten this one. You can see it even from in body language. Abeg, I study psychology. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me nonsense. From in language sef, you go know say this one dey fear. He was hanging pictures. Hey, that one even burst my head. Femi Fani-Kayode was hanging pictures. As per carpenter wey don become, you study politics to enter carpentry. You get, in fact, if I know the mistake sef, your staffs alone dey pass 100 or dey reach 100. They no fit hang pictures. Why una sabi lie? No, why una sabi lie? See how the PA sef even look. Mr. Gbenga, see how you look. If truly this man was treating you well, you know, for the look like gate man like this. You know, even for the first video where the hammer video, una even dey hear am from his voice say he dey fear, he dey shake. Now only God no, you don't come out now when they tell us the allegations are lies and this one God save you. Say person the video. Assuming they know the video by now, that hammer, therefore don't use that discorticize your lips, discorticize your head. You feel come outside now when they talk many nonsense. No, continue the cover up. Now only God know how much they pay you, whether they don't beat you self so that you go come out and do that. No, check the video very well. Check the video very well. He hide the hammer now. He hide them. I know they like, see, if you they come outside, they talk something, come outside with truth. I hear this matter, I say no, I go keep am first, make I gather my evidence, make I, you understand? This same Gbenga go come outside tomorrow, come tell us another thing, make una wait. Tomorrow night go come do another video. I am very sorry, and I regret not saying the truth before. He hammered me, he chiseled me, he nailed me, No, we dey here, we go sit down and we wait for you because we know say it go surely happen, my people. Now the matter be this one another. In fact, all our politicians, all of them. Now why they tell us say make una no trust them, all of them, they get skeleton inside their cupboard. Very important. See this one. Abeg, start dey drop the comment for that comment section, and I hope say I don't clear una mind doubting Thomas. All of una wey don dey see this man as angel before, I hope say I don't give una enough evidence. So drop am for that comment section, share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen and people go start to dey avoid that. Very important. And make sure say you subscribe. If not, I will wonder how you want to get in total of matters like this. Stay tuned for our next story.